Hey readers, welcome to Editorials. So we are back another Tuesday, another book review video. Today, today on this Tuesday, we are gonna talk about Louise Hay book, Heal Your Life. I have watched her couple of YouTube videos. I really like her. Her personality is very calming, very subtle. I really like that. In future version, I see myself as a more calm person though. Yeah. Today we are gonna talk about Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. This is the first book that I read by hers. There are many books like Heal Your Body and many. Looking forward to read them too. So yeah, let's begin the video. And yeah, if I could summarize the entire book in your one sentence or would be your thoughts create your reality. That's it. Your thoughts create your reality. Louise Hay in this book argues between self-love, self-acceptance. She also says that all the diseases, all the things are there can be healed by your thoughts alone, or it is diagnosed because of your thoughts. Whenever you are going through something, just think, what are you thinking right now? Become aware and conscious about your thoughts and understands. And she very calmly invites us into an affirmative world. And and she also discusses about foundations of the healing. She also talks about childhood trauma, failed relationships, and illness, and starting a fresh beginning with our new minds. Yeah, it is this book especially makes our participation alive in our own healing. Yeah, that's the core part of the book. Yeah, even you can feel that when you will read that book. One of the techniques that today now I'm gonna tell what the techniques she talks about. She talks about affirmations, mirror work, mental charts, forgiveness and inner child work, daily practice of self-love. Yeah, affirmations are simply sentences which make us feel positive about any situation, thing, or yourself, and etc. So, mirror work is like reading out affirmations. I am beautiful, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am sexy, I am divine. Like that. And it actually genuinely changes the thought patterns. It changes the way you view to yourself. Yeah, and mental cause, it is a fascinating like physical ailments like headache, stomach issues, back pain. They are mainly caused because of mental things that which are we are going through and simply created by uh, thought patterns. And she like this is the main part where I got like amazed. Like uh, if you are going through something and it affects any part of your body part, she have also mentioned that she has also given affirmations for every body part, and which was really fascinated. I was like, my god, what was this? Yeah, I read every single affirmations among all that, and it was wonderful. Like it also awakened that every stress that it is affecting any part of our human body. Yeah, fourth, she talks about forgiveness and inner child work. She emphasizes on forgiving ourselves and others. She believes that resentment is a form of poison that we give to ourselves. It is quite hard, yeah, when I'm trying to let go. So, yeah, she also tells us to write letters, do meditation, visualization to let go of attachments and resentments. She also talks about daily love practices like showing up your yourself, keeping up the promises that you keep with yourself, and just being the best selves of ourselves and giving 100% in every situation. Before I tell should you read the book or not, I will tell once a Louis who has said earlier. You have been criticizing yourself for years and it hasn't worked. Question what doesn't. Oh, sorry. I'll tell again. I read the wrong thing. One second. You have been criticizing yourself for years and it hasn't worked. Try proving for of yourself and see what happens. I'll read it again. You have been criticizing yourself for years and it hasn't worked. Try approving of yourself and see what happens. I tell what did happen to me. It happened magic in my life. Yeah. Believing yourself, thinking more positively, it does happen. Yeah, this book even had some controversies like how your thoughts can create everything, and yeah. A person who wants an hope, and anyone who is exploring for self-love, self-exploration, self-growth, my body mind connection should read that book. And it is a beginner friendly book, you can easily read. I literally completed this book in 2 days. Yeah, this is a classic read in this. Yeah, I can say that. And yeah, always remember, healing starts with words you speak to yourself. Always remember, healing starts with the words you speak to yourself. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. And yeah, I highly recommend reading this book if you are a beginner, and if you have a negative thoughts or anyone near you, give them this. It will give, this books genuinely gives you hope for the life. Yes, this book is a, this is not just a book, it is a book of a hope. I said what I said. Yeah. Bye. Keep reading, keep shining, keep loving yourself.